another episode of balloon tutorial video. In this video, I will be making another design of balloon bouquet, but this time it will be a smaller size because we will only be using one number foil balloon, which is this number 3. Yeah, so I will be making this for a client. It is going to be a Paw Patrol themed, but as always guys, you can always use different colors depending on the theme that you will be doing for your party. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the supplies that we will be using for this video. These are the supplies and the equipment that we will be using for this video. Of course, I have this. As I have mentioned, I will be doing a Paw Patrol theme for a client. So I have this 12 inches of latex balloons. So I have 12. So yeah, so 4 red, 4 in blue, and then this chrome blue. And then I will also be using this small 5-inch latex balloons. I will also be using this Paw Patrol foil balloons. These are the smaller sizes. I think this is about 14-inch, if I'm not mistaken, the 10-inch or the 14-inch in sizes. So these are the ones that are just air-filled and can't be filled up with helium. For this foil balloons, unlike the bigger ones, this one doesn't comes with a self-sealing valve. It requires heat when sealing off this foil balloon. So that's why I have here my heat sealer. This is, I am going to use this to seal after I inflate these foil balloons. And my electric pump, my hand pump, and then this yarn thread in making the base of our bouquet. And also I have here my glue dots in case I need one in attaching these smaller foil balloons. Scissors, and this one, this is the balloon bond or balloon tape that I am using for foil balloons. This is very useful when dealing with your foil balloons, when attaching them together. This works very well in foil balloons. And of course, water weight. Okay guys, so now I'm going to inflate my latex balloons. So for this arrangement, for the base, we are going to inflate them in the same sizes for about 9 to 10 inches big. So when you inflate your balloon, you always have this pear shape one. So what I usually do is just press it against the floor while releasing some air, so you get a rounder shape. There. Okay guys, so next I'm going to inflate my 5 inches latex balloons. I will be inflating them with 1 and 2 pumps using my dual action pump. And then I'm going to tie it together and make a duplet. Okay guys, so now I am going to inflate my mini foil balloons. I am just going to quickly show you how do I inflate and seal them off using the heat sealer. So you just have to inflate it using your hand pump. Make sure not to overinflate it. So like this, and then you just have to hold it tightly this on the neck of the foil balloon, and then you twist. You twist and then hold it to where you twist the foil balloon, and then you just have to use your heat sealer. Seal. Press the heat sealer and then release, and then that's it. Then your foil balloon is already sealed off. Okay guys, so now if you are only doing your do-it-yourself balloon and you don't have the heat sealer, you can also use, if you have that hair iron. If you have that hair iron, you can also use that to seal off your mini foil balloon. Okay guys, so just to recap, so we have 3 sets of this 12 inches of latex balloons inflated in 9 inches size. So 3 sets of that. And then we also have 4 sets of this duplets in blue and red. And then I also have 2 individual 5-inch balloons to fill in the gaps later. And then we also have 3 mini foil balloons. Okay, so I'll grab my yarn thread and my weight. I will be, I'm going to tie the yarn to the weight. There, we already have the weight. And then I'll grab my first cluster. I'm going to insert this in the middle, while pulling it a little bit to tighten your cluster. Here, just wrap it around to your first cluster. There. Okay, so next I am going to attach my number 3 foil balloon. So yeah, as I have mentioned, I'm going to work on this side of the base. I have pre-inflated this already, and then I just tied a 260Q. That's what I am going to use to tie it to the base. So there we go. So that's basically our base. Now we are going to accent it with the mini foil balloons and the smaller balloons. Okay guys, so next I'm going to attach my 5-inch balloons. I already tied my 260Q, and then I am going to just insert it here in the middle, and then that's it. I just have to arrange it like this, so whichever color you wanted to place. The second one, because I am planning to place one mini foil balloon here and then over here also, so maybe I'll just place my other set of smaller latex balloons. Again, I'm just going to insert And then maybe just like that. So before you attach your mini foil balloons, you have to plan first where you wanted to place this foil balloon. So because if you are going to attach it already using your balloon tape or glue dots, it will be hard for you to remove. So I am going to put one of the foil balloon here. So just like that. And then if I am working with foil balloons attaching to a latex one, I usually use my glue dots. Here, I just grab a balloon tape. I'm going to check first which part of the foil balloon that is touching to the other foil balloon, and then I'm going to place it. By the way, this is the double-sided balloon tape. It's also called balloon bond. And then yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to peel off the other side. And then just slowly attach it to your other foil balloon. Okay, there you have it, guys. So as I have mentioned, you can always do different other themes in this type of arrangement. The personalized number foil balloon is also optional. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon tutorial videos. Bye! See you guys on our next video.